Today's session we are focusing on yoga for back pain. In case you are struggling with back pain issues, this session is for you. हरे कृष्णा दोस्तों, मेरा नाम मेघा फतनानी है और मैं एक होलिस्टिक वेलनेस कोच हूँ. I welcome you all to my channel. In case you are new on my channel, do subscribe my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon button. Everybody, place both your hands on your knees. Take 3 deep breaths. Breathe in through your nose, exhaling out through your mouth. Again, take a deep breath in through your nose, exhaling out through your mouth. Let go all the tension which you are holding on to. One last time, take a deep breath in through your nose, exhaling out through your mouth. Now interlock your fingers up straight, stretch your hands up, attach to your ear, hold in this position. Gently relax your spine, stretch your hands upwards as much as possible, keeping your back straight, spine long, open your chest. Hold in this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And slowly bring your hands back down. Relax. Now coming back, we will be doing twisting on our sides, taking your right hand, place it on the left knee for support, left hand around your waist and try to twist from your waist and try to look back at your shoulder. Keeping your back straight, hold in this position. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly come back center. Again, we will be repeating on the left side. Take your left hand, place it on the right knee for support and wrap your right hand around your waist. Try to look back at your right shoulder, keeping your back straight and spine long. Open your chest. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly come back center. Okay, next we will be doing waist rotation. You just need to place your right feet crossed on the left thigh. Rest your hands on the mat and start rotating your waist. Try to make a bigger circle as much as possible clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now opposite direction, anti-clockwise. 1, very nice. 2, 3 and 4. Coming back center, we will be repeating same on the left side. Cross your left feet, place it on your right thigh. Rest both your hands on the mat and start rotating clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now anti-clockwise, counter direction. Last 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly coming back center position. Okay, now we will be doing cat and cow stretch in the seated position. All you need to do is rest both your hands on your knees. As you inhale, open your chest and bend your elbows, and as you exhale, roll your upper back and keep your elbows straight. Inhale, opening your chest out. Exhale, rolling your upper back like a hump of camel. Continue, inhale, open your chest out. Exhale, make a hump in your upper back. Inhale, open your chest out. Exhale, roll your upper back. Very nice. Inhale, open your chest out. Exhale, roll your upper back. Inhale, out. Exhale, in. Very nice. Relax your entire back. Release the tension you are holding on to in your upper back, lower back. Last 2 counts. Inhale, chest out. Exhaling, rolling your upper back, looking at your navel. Inhale, open your chest out. Exhale, roll your upper back and look down. Come center. Now we will be lying down on our back. Everybody lie down in a comfortable position on your back. Now slowly bring your knees close to your chest. Try to lock your elbows if possible, or simply lock your fingers. And hold in this position, pointing your toes downwards. Stay there for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now bend both your knees, try to grab your toes and open your legs wide open, keeping your knees and your feet parallel to each other. Your knee and your feet should be pointing 90 degree. And hold in this position for 10 counts. Happy baby pose. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very nice. Now bring your legs back and relax your feet on the mat. Rest your hands on the side. Take deep breaths. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. Okay, now you need to cross your right feet on your left knee. Try to interlock your fingers under your left thigh. Interlock your fingers under your left thigh and keep your left leg straight. Hold in this position for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now bend your knee. Try to lock your fingers on the top of your knee. Try to bring your knee close to your chest as much as possible. Push your knee close to your chest and hold in this position for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We will be repeating same on the other side. Try to cross your left feet, place on the right knee, interlock your fingers under your right thigh first. Try to keep your legs straight and hold in this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now bend your knee slightly and lock your fingers on the top of your knee. Try to push your knee close to your chest as much as possible. Feel the stretch in your hips, in your glutes. Stay there in this position. Hold for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very nice. Now again relax your feet down on the mat, hands on the side. Now we will be doing one last asana for today, that is bridge pose, Setu Bandh asana. Bring your feet close to your hip as much as possible. Try to grab both your ankle. If you are unable to grab your ankle, simply place your hands on the mat on the sides. Now try to lift your hip up off the mat as much as possible as you inhale, and slowly rest your hip down as you exhale. Inhaling up, lift your hip as much as possible. Exhaling down, relax your hip down on the mat. Up, inhale. Down, exhale. Inhale, lift your hip up. Exhale, down. Inhale, lift your hip up. Exhaling down. Continue last 5 counts. Inhaling up as much as possible. Exhaling down. Avoid any jerk. Slowly lift up. Slowly rest down. Up, inhale. Down, exhale. Last 2 counts. Continue everybody. Inhale, lifting your hip up. Exhaling down. Rest your hip down on the mat. Up, inhale. This time try to hold the position for 10 counts. Stay there. Deep breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Very nice. Slowly relax your hip down on the mat. And now turn on the side and sit in a comfortable cross-leg position. Keeping your back straight, spine long, hands on your knees. Take 3 deep breaths. Breathe in through your nose. Exhaling out through your mouth. Then try to scan your spine from the top till the bottom. Scan your spine right behind your neck till the bottom, the base of your spine. Continue scanning from the top till the base and see how your spine is feeling after today's practice. Is there any pain, discomfort? Let's not judge ourselves and be completely aware of our spine from the top till the bottom. Continue scanning your spine, top to bottom, bottom to top. Now, bring your awareness on your breathing. Focus should be on your breath, your inhalation and your exhalation. Now slowly rub your palms, feel the warmth in your hands. Now gently place both your hands on your lower back. Again, one more time, rub both your palms. Place both your hands on your upper back region. One last time, rub both your hands. Place both your hands on your back from the top till the bottom. And open your eyes slowly, everybody. I hope you all felt that release in your entire back. And do let me know in the comments, how are you feeling after the session today? I invite you all to join my live sessions which I host 1st to 21st of every single month on my YouTube channel in morning 7 a.m. And also you can become the member of my Morning Reset Club community completely free of cost by simply joining in the link which is mentioned in the description of the video itself. See you all on the mat. Morning light 7 a.m. Hare Krishna dosto.